Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fine and good. Third class, term 1. We will continue our today's class. In previous class, we start our second lesson, knowing our earth. Knowing our earth. We will complete this, what is a globe and how we will use earth, and we will explain continents and oceans. We will explain what continents. We will over the continents. Now oceans. See here. Very large bodies of water are called oceans. Very large water bodies are called oceans. There are 5 oceans. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. These are called oceans. We have 5 oceans, that is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic, Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The other large water bodies are seas, rivers, lakes, bays, and gulfs. These water bodies are smaller than oceans. The bergs and gulfs, oceans will be, lakes are smaller, with oceans are big. Lakes and rivers are smaller. We have 5 oceans. We have 5 oceans. Our next topic is direction. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west. We have 4 directions. That is north, south, east, and west. These directions help us to locate place on a map. Let us learn how to find directions. Put up a map on a wall, stand in front of it. The top of the map shows the north. See example. North, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. This is our map example. Like, see, top of the map having north, bottom of the map having south, the right side east, and left side west. Now put up a map on a wall, stand in front of it. The top of the map shows the north, the south is at the bottom of the map. The east is your right, and the west is your left. If you know how to read a map, you can find your way around a new place. You will understand how to find direction. Simply, you will if you can find out the how to exact point where you are going new place, now you can find easily where north, south, and where east, west. Okay, see how to read a map. You can find your way around a new place. Do you know show solars founds their way while sailing in early times? They used an instrument called a compass. It looks like a watch. This is our compass. The 4 main directions on a compass. It looks like a watch. It has a needle which always point to the north. A compass helps us find direction. It has a needle. Every time this compass will be north only side. Okay, this is our compass. Look like a watch. I hope you will understand this lesson, what globe, continents, and oceans, and directions. Today your homework is oceans. What? Oceans. We have 5 oceans. There are 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic, Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Homework 2 times. Thank you.